We know how much satisfaction comes from turning something old into something new, and this vanity makeover is no exception.
With a couple of little tips and tricks, we've brought it in on a shoestring budget, and we'll show you how.
Here's our tired looking vanity, and as you can see, she needs a facelift. So what we're going to do is replace these tiles here. New basin, new tapware.
Paint the door fronts, and Kara's picked a really cool mirror to replace this old one. But first things first, let's pull these tiles up. Next up, we're going to nail down our fibro sheet, which forms a really good substrate for the glue and the tile. Then we can bring in the tile and do a dry fit. Dry fit the tile and the basin, and if it's all good, you're ready to glue. For the glue, I'll be using Selly's White for Life tile adhesive. These little packs are great because they're pre-mixed and they're ready to go, which is perfect for this size job. When you're gluing up, it's important that you get 100% coverage. That means the base of our tile is going to stick down firmly to our bench top.
We're going to give that tile adhesive 24 hours to set, so while we wait for that, I'm going to prep these doors ready to paint. So first things first, I'm going to remove these old door handles from the door fronts. Next, I'm going to fill in any holes, dents or imperfections using Selly's Spack Filler Rapid. To do this, press firmly into the imperfection. We're going to leave that to dry for 30 minutes and then give it a sand. Next up, I'm going to give the surfaces a wipe down with some Selly's Sugar Soap wipes. To get started on my painting, I'm firstly going to do a coat of primer and then 2 coats of the colour.
Next up, we'll be sticking down our ceramic basin, and to do that, I'll be using Selly's No Mold silicone sealant, which is perfect because there's always going to be water splashing around, and this stuff stops the growth of mold, so it's perfect. Now, a few big dobs on the underside of the basin, we'll flip that over, get it into position, and then do a nice bead around the base. Easy as that.
Next up, I have this cute little mirror that doubles as a shelf for some styling, and rather than screw it on, I'm going to stick it on using Selly's Hold Up. To use the hold up, pull off the cap, unscrew the nozzle and pierce the membrane with the tip. Replace the nozzle and cut along the second ridge. Cover one surface in the adhesive in long vertical strips about 5 centimetres apart. After applying the adhesive, press surfaces together firmly, ensuring the adhesive spreads. We'll wait at least 48 hours for the glue to cure before adding items to the shelf.